We have our Ocean Mist here today. You can find it in our Elements styling range. This particular product is going to help give that nice beachy textured look. It's a sea salt spray. When we apply this product, you can see that there's an oil base here. So once we apply this product, we need to make sure we shake it before we use it. And we're going to lightly mist it throughout the head of hair, making sure that you are evenly distributing it through the head of hair. This particular product has a low shine of 1 and a hold factor of 3. It's going to give you that nice disheveled, beachy look like you've just come out of the surf. Once you've applied it, scrunch it through the head of hair, making sure that it's all evenly distributed through the head of hair. As you can see, this is our finished look with our Ocean Mist. It's going to give you a nice tousled, beachy effect without creating too much shine to the hair.